Welcome, beautiful people from all around the world. So today we'll be covering ADA, which is one of my favorite altcoins. And stay tuned until the end because we'll cover bearish and bullish scenario. Let's go. Okay, so as per usual, we'll start with the high time frame levels, regions, support, resistance areas, and go lower and lower to find more confluences to our areas that we could trade. So if we start at the monthly time frame, we can just instantly see we have a nice, so I'll clear this out for you guys and we can check those confluences later. But instantly what we can see are big massive monthly order blocks. So for now we had the lower monthly order block, which as you can see is now pretty much support, and we have an untapped monthly order block that is above us. It's a big region, but we can lower down our invalidation once we go lower on the time frame. So let's go and check out the weekly time frame. Maybe you know, maybe not, I'm a real big fan of weekly imbalance regions on altcoins. I trade them a lot, and with that we can instantly minimize our region of that bigger order block to just that weekly smaller imbalance area. What do we also have? We also have above us another weekly imbalance. That's basically it from the weekly time frame. We have the weekly imbalance regions, which can give us some trades, but we need to figure out which level and what context should be needed. So if we check out where the anchored, where the VWAPs are, so we have the monthly, the yearly, and so on and so on. We can see that the yearly VWAP is coming right at our weekly imbalance zone where we got the upper monthly order block. This is pretty much a really nice confluence. Once you break that, I can expect higher targets, and we can later on see and check what those targets are to the upside. But for now, keep in mind that the yearly VWAP is around the middle part of the weekly imbalance zone that we have. Okay, now let's go and see where the volume is. So ADA has basically two ranges. You have the lower range, we have the upper range where I already marked the point of control, and this is my bigger upside target. You can see where the point of control is of that upper region. So if we manage to break this, start to backtest, keep it as support, I'm honestly aiming for at least the value area low of the previous range, or the point of control, or maybe even the value area high. I mean, we can dream, but of course, from dreams, we really cannot make money or trade. So that's basically it for the upper part. And we have, of course, a new range, which is this one. We can see where the point of control is right when we fill the weekly imbalance zone. We have the value area high, which is again coming right inside our weekly upper imbalance zone. We have a lot of liquidity for that. We can mark, let's just mark this first. We have the value area high, we have the point of control of the range that we are currently in. Okay, pretty nice, pretty fantastic. So where is the liquidity hiding? You can see we have almost equal lower highs. This is where you got a ton of liquidity still waiting to be taken out. So we got additional confluence that we might aim for a little bit higher, not at the beginning of the imbalance, but a little bit more higher to take out that liquidity. What else? We have a really simple confluence, which is called the best tool, and the most times it's the simplest tool. We have the trend line, which is again lining up with our monthly order block support and trend line, which of course gave us an initial bounce. Go a little bit more in depth in volume. You can see we have a lot of imbalances which were cleared on the monthly order block that we just tapped, but we got a couple of them that are here 5.3 region and up 5.8. So if we check out that on the chart, 5.3, 5.8 is a little bit higher, but we got some imbalances right here. Which is again inside the weekly imbalance zone, which is another additional confluence. For now, we have a lot of support also from Binance spot exchange. You can see every time we make a low, you got a lot of limits just piling up, protecting the lows. Again, you got another low, you got them stacking up. So this means that Cardano could get another leg inside the first weekly imbalance zone that's here. Keep in mind that we also have news of Cardano having a fork upgrade, almost like 70%. This was back, what was it, a week ago. So we are quite close to Chang Fork, hard fork on Cardano, and this might give us some more boost, some more volume. So let's say maybe a month or two. You can also check out a lot of events that are upcoming. You can see the Chang upgrade is basically the fork, third quarterly, so they have like a month still left, a month or two. Also from open interest side, you can see we are really in a big support region open interest wise. So if you check out a few years of statistic here from open interest, let's check out the rectangle. So you can see a lot of support from previous years right inside here. So my conclusion is that we are at nice support area from Cardano. So let's mark out the plan, what might happen in the next few months. But yeah, let's see what we have. So we have the first weekly imbalance zone with, again, the point of control. Just the price action I would like to see here is a little boost above, maybe tapping even the point of control, something like this, coming back inside the monthly order block, backtesting the trend line, and making that move to the upside where we have the second weekly imbalance zone, probably getting some sort of retrace. If again, depends, if here we get the Chang Fork news that everything is completed, I can almost guarantee you that we will have an influx of volume which might pump up. You get a little retrace just to stop out all the bullish traders, the over leveraged traders again, and then keep the momentum going up, if that's the case. You know where we have the upper targets, so this might be a potentially really nice trade. You would also, let's say, have head and shoulders pattern here. You have the neckline, like it's not the perfect head and shoulders, but again, a pattern it is. This would be the bullish scenario, but of course we have to keep in mind that there are always bearish scenarios. If Bitcoin starts to drop really hard, you might even not do this. You might come back and backtest the trend line and come back lower. This is where we can look for the backtest trades, nice short trades for lower areas. We might even come back here. Maybe this price action evolves and we make this. We make this, backtest here, come back down. But this is a key area for me. We have the value area low also from this range. So, I mean, yeah, you can see where we have the value area low. So the areas are planned. Of course, we are trading with paper money here. No financial advice. That's it for today, guys. If you love the content, please like and subscribe. See you until next time.